Windows 11 search is slow on purpose. Every time you type, Microsoft sends your search to the internet, waits for Bing, and then mixes web results with your local files. That delay you feel is not your PC. It is designed. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Windows 11 search instant using registry changes Microsoft never documents. If you don't want to touch the registry yourself, I have made a one-click tool that handles everything safely. You will find it in the pinned comment below. Now follow me exactly. First, press Windows plus R to open the round dialog box. Type Registry and press enter. If user account control appears, click yes. On the left side, navigate to this location. HKey current user. Software. Policies. Microsoft. Windows. Explorer. If you do not see the Explorer folder, right-click on Windows. Choose New, then select Key and name it Explorer. Now on the right side, right-click in any empty space, select New, then click the word 32-bit value. Name it exactly Disable Search Box Suggestions. No spaces, no mistakes. Now double-click it and change the value from 0 to 1 and click OK. What this just did is massive. You have completely disabled Bing and web search inside Windows Search. From now on, search results are local only. This alone makes start menu search feel instant. Now that the Bing is disabled, we are going after something most people don't even know exists, which is the cloud search. Even in Windows 11, Microsoft still routes parts of your search through online services. And yes, Cortana is still involved internally, even though it looks gone. This step removes all of that. Follow carefully. On the left side, navigate to HKey current user. Software. Microsoft. Windows. Current version. Search. Once you are inside the search folder, move to the right pane. Right-click in an empty area, select New, and click the word 32-bit value. Name this first value Allow Cloud Search. When done, double-click it and set the value to 0 and click OK. Now we are going to do one more thing. Right-click again in an empty space, choose New, then the word 32-bit value. Name it Allow Cortana. When done, double-click it and set the value to 0 and click OK. Here's what just happened. Windows Search is now fully offline. No waiting on Microsoft services you didn't ask for. Search is now deterministic. When you type, Windows will respond immediately. So far, we have made changes for the current user. We are going to lock this behavior at the system level. This prevents Windows from silently re-enabling web search later, especially after updates. Pay attention here. In the registry editor, navigate to HKey local machine. Software. Policies. Microsoft. Windows. If you do not see a folder named Windows Search, right-click on Windows and choose New, then select Key. Now name it Windows Search. Now click on Windows Search and on the right side, right-click on an empty space, select New and choose the word 32-bit value. Name it exactly Disable Web Search. Double-click on it and set the value to 1 and click OK. Now create another keyword. Right-click again on an empty space, select New, and choose the word 32-bit value. Name it Connected Search Use Web. Double-click on it, set the value to 0, and click OK. One more. Right-click again on an empty space, select New, and click on the word 32-bit value. Name it Connected Search Use Web over Metered Connections. When done, double-click it, set the value to 0, and click OK. Here's what this does. Even if Microsoft tries to re-enable web search, Windows is now forbidden from using it. Search is logged to local indexing only, no background calls. Next, we have to restart the Windows search process so that these changes take effect immediately. Close Registry Editor and right-click the Start button. Now select Terminal Administrator or Windows PowerShell Administrator. In the terminal window, type this command correctly. Stop process. Name search host. Force. Then press enter. Your taskbar may flicker. That's normal. Windows will automatically restart the search process, but now it is running with your new settings. At this point, Windows search is fully optimized. You will notice the difference. Results appear instantly. No lag, no bing, no delays. That's the speed Microsoft never gives you by default. Now that you have seen exactly what it takes to speed up Windows search manually, imagine if all this could happen automatically, safely, and without worrying about making a mistake. That is where my Windows Search Accelerator tool comes in. With this tool, everything we just did can be done the simple way. First up, disable Bing and web results. This is the core step that makes the search feel instant. The tool takes care of the registry changes automatically. No typing, no errors, no waiting. Next, we have disable cloud search and Cortana hooks. Even though Cortana looks gone, Windows still talks to cloud services behind the scenes. This slows things down and eats CPU cycles. On confirming to the prompt, all cloud search queries are off. Now we are going system-wide with the lock search feature. This step stops Windows updates from undoing our changes later. Even after updates, your search stays local and lightning fast. Even though all these changes are made, the search process is still running with the old settings in memory. A quick restart applies everything instantly. Your taskbar may flicker for a second. Now everything we changed is live. You can simply type in the start menu to confirm. Results will appear instantly, purely local, no internet delay, no unwanted suggestions. Now, just to prove this tool is fully safe, let's try the revert changes options. All registry edits we made are undone automatically. Type in the search bar again, and everything will be back to normal, just like before we started, fully reversible. This is exactly what makes this tool perfect for anyone who is worried about breaking their PC manually. If you want to fully optimize Windows search on your PC without any hassle, download it now from the download link in the pinned comments and see the difference for yourself.